everybody. Happy opening day of baseball. It's already been a good one. We're going to celebrate by opening one box of 2019 Topps Inception. I've already opened two. I have two more here. The price is still really reasonable on this stuff for now. So I grabbed two more while it still was. We're going to open one now. There are 7 cards total. 2 autographs. I did a little more research. You're not guaranteed a patch. There's a couple of patches in the case. So I was lucky to get the patch before in one of the other boxes. A couple of parallels. There wasn't anything too crazy to speak of. I did get a 1-of-1, not autograph, but still I did get a 1-of-1 in one of my other boxes. I thought that was pretty cool. There's my little pack. This will not take very long. Like I said, it's only a couple of cards. I think I'll do it like I did last time. Although I can't remember what the layout was, but anyhow, let's just go through it. Doesn't matter what order. First card, Rhys Hoskins. It's a good start. I like him a lot. This is just the base card, as you probably already know. Next up, we have Francisco Lindor. Again, just a base card. Next up, Garrett Cole for the Astros. I love these cards. They look so good. Number 4 is Clayton Kershaw. So no parallels yet. Let's see. Next one's going to be an autograph. It is Dennis Santana, rookie auto number 2/225. Sweet looking card there. Another Dodger. Rookies and Emerging Stars autograph. Next up is Arcia rookie green. Did I say? I think I said you get 2 autographs in this. You don't. You get 1. That was it. I don't know why I keep thinking you get 2 in this. You don't. I think I've said that multiple times and I apologize. Anyways, this is a green rookie parallel. Not numbered. And the last card is Jacob Nix purple rookie number /150. So that is it for that box. Obviously you hope to get a patch, but you just can't do it every time. So not too bad. Numbered auto. Looks sweet looking card. I love the Dodgers. So alright, that's it for this one. Again, happy opening day. Hope you get to watch some good games. Hope your team wins. And I'll be back to open this other box for you very soon.